We will stop it at the top. Once again, we will stop it at the top.
Oh, yay! I know, right? Wow.
Oh, wow, you go first. Look over here, you can see the whole boardwalk. Oh, well, that's kind of. That's so cool.
That's
With the lights of it. Oh, we have a Coca-Cola sign. Dude, we're higher than the roller coaster.
Wow. So much fog.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. All you just see is a bunch of like blurred lights. It's creepy.
Oh, no. Yeah, please don't.
Wow, that is
No one move.
so far way down there.
Look at the abyss.
The abyss, just nothingness over there. It is. Wow. Yeah. It looks like we're in the clouds, doesn't it?
It's really rode the boat. Yeah, there's sign. Right. You see moving lights.
Kind of.
Buddy, look at it. If you look over here and all the lights, it looks like Christmas. It does. Christmas time? Not Christmas time. Unless you're There's a place called Mama's Kitchen. Dad, careful with your phone. It's attached to his wrist. Still.
Buddy, it's attached to my wrist. It ain't going anywhere.
Keep all body parts. Yeah, Dad, keep all body parts.
Right, you just hear people like screaming in the background and like, oh my god!
All you see is Bob.
We try not to think that we're so far up in the air. I am afraid of heights. This is like
Why are you doing that? You're like leaning your hand out the window.
this is like my biggest fear is being in a Ferris wheel this high up in the air.
It's like stuff.
You're having a good time. This is your fun ride. You won't go on roller coasters with me, but
Yeah, well, Piers goes slow.
yeah, it's the scariest ride in
Sit at the top and look at the
scariest
view.
ride in the amusement park for 100%. I mean, look at this. Look at
It's not the height that scares me. It's when the car starts scaring. I don't like when it sways. I'm scared. Okay. But you did the wheel of death.
yeah.
That's because it was enclosed. Here we go. It was close.
I'm like freaking out.
You're freaking out from me.
This is crazy.
Yeah, when I saw it, since it goes fast. No, this car's not allowed because it's late. Yeah. It really bothers me. Don't tell me we're going to stop again.
No, we're done. I think we're done from the top. We'll go around a
Let's
couple
get back
times.
down. Okay. Yeah, we got the very tippy top. Yeah, that one. Tippy top. It's so cool in the fog, though.
Yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, you're almost hitting it.
So this is an actual waterfall?
They said last time.
See like the moon over there? It's kind of nuts. Wow. I'll never get over that view of the Great White. Yep.
I did it.
Enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers.
Hey, you timed it. How long was it? 5.5 minutes on the fair. The giant wheel.
Please remain seated until the ride has come to a complete stop. Once the ride has stopped completely, you'll be exiting to the back of the ride. Thank you for riding the giant wheel and enjoy the rest of your stay here at